Citizens, I'm about to tell you how Uber's greatest feature might also be the most evil thing about it, and how it might screw you over at your next job. Oh, it's time for the fucking news. Now let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like Uber's a little too good to be true? Do you ever get out of the car and go, $7? How do these people make any money? Well, the answer is they don't. This year, ever since Uber increased the amount that drivers have to pay and decreased the cost to us, Uber drivers are going broke and pissed. We went from this. So, how long you been driving Uber? I think maybe like 3 months. Do you like it? Dude, I love it, man. I make my own hours. I meet all kinds of interesting people. Hey, did you want gum? And now it's this. So, how do you like Uber? They're criminals, bro! It's basically rape! They're robbing us! So, no gum? And now being worth $60 billion, it seems like Uber is leading the trend of big companies that want us to work for them, but they don't want to deal with pesky labor laws. It's a fun side job. Just get in your car, pick some people up. You're your own boss now. Just sign this 1099 so we're absolved from paying any of your benefits or taxes. It's gonna be great. But remember now, folks, Uber doesn't pay for their drivers' medical, dental, sick leave, workers' comp, social security, roadside assistance, gas, insurance, liability, overtime, cell phone costs, car notes, bridge tolls, taxes, or gone. They don't pay any of that. That's how they do this so cheap. And now you might want to tip your Uber driver out of pity of the situation, but then this all gets very familiar. Wait. Angry drivers, guilty tipping, surge prices. What does this remind me of? Oh right, cabs! But now without labor laws! Okay, wait, Rafa. Wait, everyone knows that Uber's supposed to be your side hustle, not your main hustle, okay? And we all know that. What about that? Not according to Uber CEO Travis Kalanick, who wants every car to be Uber. Their business model is actually focused on the more driving, the better, so shut it. I mean, that's literally why they started doing surge pricing, to lure impoverished drivers out of the house at 2 in the morning to drive more for Uber just to pick our drunk asses up at the discotheque. It says that it's a gray Nissan. Is that it? Are you Uber? For Jessica? Kim, that's him, let's go. Look, labor laws are important, and Uber can totally afford to pay its drivers like employees, so I don't expect you to stop using Uber, but I do expect you to help me spread this video around. Because anyone who's working full-time deserves to be treated like a full-time employee. So share this video, and next time you're in an Uber, tell them that you're fighting for their benefits, and see how quick you get that gun. Well, that's it for the Rafa Ticks. DM me your compliments, and of course all that sharing stuff's gotta happen on Facebook, because you can't do it here. Yeah.